to withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. So first of all, I would like to clarify that you cannot directly withdraw Sweatcoin money to your PayPal, but you can get PayPal cash by redeeming it for PayPal voucher in apps marketplace. Keep in mind that these vouchers are always available and can require a large number of sweat coins. Alternatively, you can try to sell your sweats in the different exchange crypto markets or online marketplaces. But the method comes with its own risk. So if you want to redeem for PayPal voucher through the marketplace, here is how you will do it. So first of all, just open the Sweatcoin application in your mobile device and click on Let's Go after setting up your account. So as you can see that these are the steps that the app has counted for me. And once you have enough number of counts or the sweat coins in your wallet, all you have to do is just open the app and go to the marketplace section from the bottom menu. Just click on the socials over here. And when you scroll down, you will be able to see marketplace on this particular page. Right now, I don't have that option because my account is brand new, but you will be able to see the option called marketplace. Then look for any available PayPal voucher or cash offer. So for example, I'm in the reward section, and when I will scroll down over here, you will have different options. You need to search for the PayPal voucher or the cash offer. And these offer appears very less frequently than other rewards. So you have to make sure that you are checking it frequently. If a PayPal offer is available, follow the on-screen instructions to redeem it. And you will likely need a significant number of sweat coins for this, as I told you earlier. And then just simply claim the voucher and check your email for instructions or code to use with PayPal. And yeah, that's how you will be able to withdraw sweat coins money to PayPal. I hope you find this video to be helpful.